Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop people from mentioning you on threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Thread application. So once you open that application, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom. And then you simply need to click on two lines on the top right. Here you need to click on privacy. And here you can see second option mentions. Click on that. And here you can see choose who can mention you to link to your profile in the threads, replies or bio. When people try to mention you, they will see you don't allow at the rate of mentions. So I do not want to allow anyone to mention me on threads. So I'm going to click on no one. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.